If you are a Premiere Pro user, you exactly know how much of a pain it is just to create a subject cutout. You might need to use tools like After Effects, Capcut, or any third-party tool just to separate your subject from the background. But not anymore. The game has changed, and in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do it just right into your Premiere Pro from now onwards. Hear me out and let's just start with this video. So Adobe just released their new updates, and with this comes new tools and new power, and this power is brought to you by AI. So thanks to AI, let's just talk about it and see that in action. Let's say I am having this video, I will create a sequence of it. Few solar panels behind me. Yeah, so this is my video. Let's say I'm editing this video and I want to create a video where I want to place text behind this subject, which is me. So the traditional way of doing that is that I'll just right click on it, create an After Effects composition, do the rotoscoping, and then do the editing part. Or I will export it and bring it into Capcut and do the green screen auto background removal, right? That's traditional part. Now what you have is this new feature called Object Mask tool. This tool helps you create the mask automatically. We'll see that in action, but as we do whenever we want to create the subject cutout, let's just make one duplicate here. So I just made a duplicate of this layer. Now what I need to do is just select the layer and select this object mask tool. When you have this object mask tool selected, make sure your playhead is in the beginning, because this is going to help here. So move your playhead to the beginning of the clip, select object mask tool, and then you can just hover over any of the object which is there in your video. Essentially now I have just one object here, but if you are having multiple objects, you can just select them and that will work really fine for you. For now I'm selecting this object, and as soon as it is selected, you see in single click it just selected me entirely. All I need to do is just create a track mask forward. So I'll just click on this button here and it will track this mask forward. You know what happened here? When you clicked here, it created an unassigned mask. This is new feature. It created an unassigned mask, and now we will be able to use this mask moving forward. You see how fast it is? It just like around 25 seconds remain until this masking is done, right? And this is a lot more better feature, because Premiere Pro guys, you know the pain it causes, right? And even when the crashes of After Effects, that hurts a lot. So this is going to bring a lot more power to you guys. And with that being said, the tracking is done. Now the tracking is already set up. What I can do is I can just use this tracking for masking purpose, right? So let's say for example, if I want to place some text here, and I can just simply select this tool, or let me just have this text which I already created here. I can just copy it, paste it here, and this is the text we have, right? So the text here, which is on the screen by the way, and right now this top layer is covering that text. But here's the magic that happens. What you need to do is select this object mask, just click on it and drag it and drop onto this opacity layer. And as soon as you drop there, you see the difference, something happened. The mask is applied onto the opacity, and now the subject cutout is done. You see the text here which was there, like this text behind me, it's working really fine. And you see the detailing here, the subject cutout here, which is really fine and which works for most of the cases, right? In 99% of the cases this mask is going to work. And that's it. That's how you do the subject cutout, and you don't have to now go into After Effects or any other fancy tool. Just you can do that right into your Premiere Pro setup. And this is much easier because when you use tools like Capcut, it just gives you that frame rate error where their frame rate is frame is mismatched, and because of that you have to adjust everything here and there, do the cuts out. This ease up our workflow and makes things a lot more better. This is a new feature which is being released in beta right now, and soon it will be available to all Premiere Pro users. So all you need to do is just go into your Premiere Pro and you can use it For now, if you want to use this tool, you can download the beta version of Premiere Pro and you will be able to use it. It's still in beta, but it will be rolled out soon to all the users. Yeah, that's it for this one, and I hope you enjoyed this and learned something new out of it. Let me know what do you think about this new feature into the comments. Thank you, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.